Ray Cassidy here with another update on your Google business profile. In the Google domain, some of the data is connected, such as Google Search Console and Analytics, but the other important tool, Google Business Profiles, has been a bit of an outlier. That changed in June 2026, and so I'm going to just show you how you can connect your Google business profile to your analytics account. You need to be an editor or an administrator for your Google Analytics property. And for your Google business profile, you need to be an owner or at least a manager. So we'll just walk you through that process now. So here we go. Make sure you've opened the correct account within Google Analytics and you've got the correct property selected. Go to the admin button, the little cogwheel down in the bottom left, and pop that open. And scroll down until you get to the product links. Various Google services here that you can add into your Google Analytics dashboard. But the one we're interested in today is the Google Business Profile links. Click on that. At the moment, there is no connection. Create a link by clicking on the blue link button. This will give you a view into the Google Business Profile listings that you manage. Open up that list. I have a look at a lot, and somewhere in there it is. It's the unverified but still visible listing for our mountaineering club's hut, tucked away up the Newlands Valley. So you click on that checkbox. You confirm, just double check you have got the right business profile selected. You confirm that choice, go through the series of next buttons, submit it to Google, and look for the confirmation that the link is created. Go back to the home screen to try and refresh everything. Pop open the reports. You'll get the report screen and you'll find a new section has appeared here, and we'll get the overview. And although it's probably not showing any data just yet. Oh yeah, there it is, look. So there's your data. So hopefully that's helpful, and we shall catch up again in the near future.